Hi, I'm Martia Lamb, and this is another video on how to garden for almost free. I love free. I love almost free. It's all good. So, what is the most expensive thing in gardening? Is it the water? Not really. Water's pretty cheap. Is it dirt? No. Dirt's free. What's most expensive? Unless you're in-ground gardening, the most expensive thing are the containers. I have another video on containers you can get. You can check that out as well. This gardening hack is all about free containers from the tire store. So we're going to be using tires. You can grow potatoes in these. You can grow almost any plant in these. And then when it's time to harvest, you just undo the tires and you're good to go. So you go to your local mom and pop tire store. It costs them about $5 to dispose of the tires. They're glad to let you have as many as you want for free. I got these tires from a tire store on Sunland Gin in Arizona. But really, it's not that hard to find. Just let your fingers do the walking, or talk to Siri. So once you've got your free tires that you just walk away with, you place them. I start with one at a time. If you want it taller, you can do 2 or 3 at a time. And don't worry about any sort of tire, whatever. You can rinse them off in advance. And the tires are sealed. There's not anything not going to come out of there. So you can also, if you're concerned, you can line it with cardboard. Just wet the cardboard, form it in the inside of the tire, and there you go. You can also use newspaper or any sort of large paper source that won't harm the soil. So now that you've got the tire, how do you fill it? Let's see. First, you want to put a layer of cardboard, flat cardboard just from an Amazon box or whatever. You remove all the labels and tape, put it underneath. You poke a few holes in it so you can have some drainage. Then you start with Arizona dirt or whatever dirt you have. The Arizona dirt is very dry, doesn't have a lot of organic materials, so even though I'm putting it in, I'm going to amend it, add a little free coffee grounds. These you can get free from Starbucks. They have greens for the garden, and any real local store should also be able to give you their free coffee grounds that add nice organic material, and they're also considered a green in composting. You can also add a little bit of brown, a little bit of carbon, get some yummy paper in there. If you have compost, you can also add that as well. I don't have compost handy, so I'm just going to pretend to add some compost. Now in Arizona, I would recommend 1 to 2/3 of this Arizona dirt and some carbon and nitrogen. For example, coffee grounds, compost would be an excellent nitrogen. And then a little bit of carbon, shredded cardboard, what do you call it? Tiny, cut up like wood. Like if you have wood dust, that'd be awesome. Sawdust is great. Or if you don't, you can do your paper. Once you have it in there, like this one right here, you're going to make sure it's nice and moist. You might want to stir it up a little bit. Now, if you want to add some nitrogen, some good beneficial bacteria as well as water, you can see my video on compost tea or manure tea. You pour it in there, nice and moist, drop your seed in, and you're good to go. So, what is going to cost? Just some ingenuity. Thanks so much and have a blessed day.